How to log in MetaTrader 5 account. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log in on MetaTrader 5 within some steps. So let's get started. First of all, of course, install the application onto your device from Play Store or your App Store and then open it. So when you open, you will directly get the option of creating a DMO account. Just tap on the open the account option, and after that you need to fill up this form to create an account. Tap on the first name, minimum 2 characters, second name, minimum 2 characters, your phone number, your email. So let's fill it up. Remember, you need to, for creating a real account, you need to enter your legal name. After that, enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, enter your email. After entering your email number, you need to enter your account information, like use hedge in trading. If you want to use hedge, then tap on the icon, blue icon, and you'll get the right icon with the blue box. And tap on the server, like what kind of server you want, and your account type, and your leverage, your deposit, and tap on accepting all the terms and conditions after you read it, and tap on register. And tap on done for the next option. After that, you have successfully created your MetaTrader account. Just follow the steps I told you and you are ready to go. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.